Do you have trouble getting out of bed in the morning because it's too cold? Are you too lazy to turn on the heater?
Well, we have a solution for you. The heater looks like such. The remote is attached to the bottom for ease of access for the mechanical actuation. The Arduino used to program your heater is then connected to the side of the heater. The Arduino and the circuit are attached to the side of the heater as such. The circuit, very simple, uses a DHT22 temperature sensor and is connected to the Arduino with 5 volts. The mechanical actuation for this project requires a servo motor attached to the remote control of the heater. This servo motor, when the program is run and the temperature goes below the desired value, would rotate and turn on the button. Because the servo motor is not strong enough to physically press the button, we use a concept learned in the class where the two ends of the button, B and D, or A and C, would only need to be connected with a wire connection in order to turn on the button. This is essentially like physically pressing the button itself. To make things simpler for the user and to make it convenient so that they know the temperature in their room and can track it very closely as the heater turns on, the following graphic has been made for the viewer. This graphic, sort of like an actual thermostat, would move up and down to display how hot it gets or how cold it is in the room, going from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Currently, the temperature in the room is 68.36 degrees.